I've been designing orthodontic appliances for the past decade, and the flexibility of 3D printing, combined with the new printing technologies and materials, make the timing perfect for this technology to be brought to market. Here at Braces on Demand, we've partnered with Formlabs and utilized their advanced biocompatible dental resins, along with their low-force stereolithography technology, which come together to make Braces on Demand possible. So what is Braces on Demand? First and foremost, Braces on Demand is an online platform for in-office printing of orthodontic appliances. The orthodontist is able to select what they want to print right from our app, customize it how they want, and then print it themselves. Braces on Demand strives to balance all these attributes to deliver beautiful, tooth-tone, aesthetic appliances that are customized to your patients. Become your own manufacturer. Start with Braces on Demand today.